Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. To close it, tap on OK. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Xiaomi. Stick around on your Xiaomi to set up the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Android smartphone. You can finally use all of those categories from the top to pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected. You can also just click on couple of files. I will go with this one for now and choose Send as well. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you wish to connect thanks to this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on Xiaomi. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Xiaomi's camera at the code to connect. You can also just input this key in Input Key section and connect by hitting Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!